E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services, or the transmitting of funds or data over an electronic network, primarily the Internet. It includes a range of activities from online shopping and online banking to online auctions and the automated replenishment of products. E-commerce has become increasingly important in today's digital world for a number of reasons. One of the primary benefits is the convenience it offers consumers who can shop and make transactions from the comfort of their own homes at any time of the day or night. Additionally, e-commerce allows for greater reach, as businesses can sell their products and services to customers all over the world, rather than being limited to a physical location. It also increases the competitiveness among the business and leads to better prices and more options for the customers. E-commerce also allows for the easy collection and analysis of data, which can be used to improve the customer experience and inform business decisions. Furthermore, e-commerce has become a vital tool for businesses of all sizes to compete in the global marketplace and has become increasingly popular during the pandemic, as the lockdowns forced many businesses to shift their operations online. Overall, e-commerce has become an essential part of the modern economy and plays a major role in shaping the way we shop, pay, and interact with businesses today. Let's discuss the different platforms and tools available for creating an online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. There are many platforms and tools available for creating an online store, each with their own unique features and capabilities. Some of the most popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify. Shopify is a widely used e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage an online store quickly and easily. It offers a wide range of customizable templates, a user-friendly interface, and a variety of built-in features such as inventory management, payment processing, and shipping integrations. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free, open-source plugin for WordPress that allows businesses to create an online store. It is a popular choice for businesses that already have a WordPress website and want to add e-commerce capabilities. It has a large community of developers who have created many additional plugins and extensions to extend the functionality. Magento. Magento is another popular e-commerce platform that is known for its scalability and flexibility. It offers a wide range of features, including inventory management, product listing, and checkout customization, as well as the ability to handle high-volume sales, and provides a great customer experience. Let's describe the various payment options available. Number 1. Credit card processing. This is the most common form of payment for e-commerce transactions. When a customer makes a purchase, their credit card information is transmitted to the merchant's payment processor, which then sends it to the credit card company for authorization. Once the transaction is approved, the funds are transferred to the merchant's account. Number 2. PayPal. PayPal is an online payment system that allows customers to make payments using their PayPal account or credit card. PayPal acts as an intermediary between the customer and the merchant, processing the payment and transferring the funds to the merchant's account. Number 3. Digital wallets. Digital wallets are online or mobile-based payment systems that allow customers to store and use their credit card information securely. They can also be used to store loyalty cards, gift cards, and other types of payment options. Examples of digital wallets include Apple Pay and Google Wallet. Other options. There are other payment options available such as direct debit, bank transfers, and cash on delivery. When a customer makes a purchase, The payment information is transmitted to the merchant's payment processor, which then sends it to the appropriate financial institution for authorization. This process is called payment gateway. Once the transaction is approved, the funds are transferred to the merchant's account. To ensure the security of customer data, merchants should follow best practices for data security such as using SSL, Secure Socket Layer, for encrypting data transfer, regular security updates, password protection and firewalls. PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards, is a set of security standards that merchants must comply with to protect cardholder data. Merchants should also use 3D secure protocols like Verified by Visa or MasterCard Secure Code to ensure the authenticity of the cardholder. To avoid fraud, merchants should also use fraud detection tools and services like machine learning algorithms, IP address tracking, and geolocation to identify and prevent fraudulent transactions. It's important for merchants to understand and follow the security regulations and guidelines to ensure the safety and privacy of their customers' payment information. This will not only protect the merchants from fraud and chargebacks, but also build trust and credibility with their customers. Now let's discuss the different marketing strategies and tactics that can be used to promote an e-commerce store. There are many marketing strategies and tactics that can be used to promote an e-commerce store, including search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing a website to improve its ranking in search engine results. This can be done by using keywords in the website's content and meta tags, as well as building backlinks to the site. This will help to drive more organic traffic to the website and increase visibility for potential customers. Social media advertising. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be used to reach a large audience and target specific demographics. Advertisers can use these platforms to create and run ads, which can be targeted to specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Email marketing. It involves sending promotional emails to a list of subscribers. This can be an effective way to reach customers and encourage repeat business. Emails can include promotions, new product announcements, and personalized recommendations. Influencer marketing. This strategy involves partnering with people who have a large following on social media platforms to promote products and services. Influencers can help to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to the e-commerce store. Content marketing. Creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a specific audience with the goal of driving profitable customer action. Referral marketing. Encouraging existing customers to refer friends and family to your e-commerce store in exchange for discounts or other incentives. To track and measure the success of marketing campaigns, e-commerce stores can use tools such as Google Analytics, which can provide data on website traffic, bounce rates, and conversion rates. Additionally, A/B testing can be used to compare the performance of different campaigns and identify which strategies are most effective. It's also important to track the ROI of each campaign in order to understand which channels are most effective in driving sales. In summary, there are many different marketing strategies and tactics that can be used to promote an e-commerce store. To be successful, it's important to understand your target audience, create a marketing plan and budget, and track the results of your campaigns. This will help to ensure that your marketing efforts are reaching the right people and driving sales.